Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get TikTok on your phone after the ban. So as you can see guys, TikTok fully works for me. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see guys, I got fully working TikTok. So let's go. So let's go into the tutorial. So I'm going to delete it just so I can show you guys how to download it from the beginning. So yeah, this is so cool. So I'm going to go to the App Store and type in TikTok just to show you guys that yes, it is banned. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. Alright, and yes, as you can see, it says TikTok is not available in your country. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the video. So what we're going to do is go ahead and go to this site right here. So let me just go ahead and type it in. So the website we're going to visit to get TikTok unbanned is right here, but I typed it in wrong, so let me just type it in again. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. So it's called TikiUnban.com. So once you're on this website, guys, go ahead and press the button that says Start Injection, and this is going to download TikTok back onto your phone. So basically, it's going to ask you whether you're on an iPhone or an Android, so just go ahead and select your device and then go ahead and press Inject. And before it actually installs TikTok, I'm pretty sure you have to do a verification. So this is where you download 2 apps and you follow the instructions. They're from the App Store. They're completely free. So as you can see, guys, it says Verify Now. So I'm going to go ahead and press that. And now it's going to bring me to the list of apps. And I just have to download 2 of them. So as you can see, they're all different. So we're just going to download 2 apps. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and download Family Island. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to download the app. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So I'm going to go ahead and go back onto the list and download another one. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and do the Bible app. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to download the app. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here, as you can see. And now I'm going to go to the home screen and just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So let's just go to the home screen and see if we're done. So let's go ahead and find out. So the apps are downloading. We'll just give it a second for them to go ahead and finish here, as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm not really the type of person that likes to wait, but we're just going to give it a second. So the Bible is done, so I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, just touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. So it's really simple, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing around with it. So anyway, guys, I'm not really going to spend that much time on these apps. So let me just go ahead and do that right here as you guys can see. Alright, I'm just playing around with it. Pretty simple. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So yeah, it's nothing too insane. So let's just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. So we're pretty much done, guys. So let's go to the home screen and do the other app, which is the Family Island. So it's the same thing, guys. We're just going to run it and do some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing around with it. And honestly, guys, these are not confusing apps. So I'm just going to go ahead and run it for a little bit here, as you guys can see, just playing around with it. Pretty cool. So let me just go ahead and do that. Alright, so I'm just running it right here so you guys can see. Just playing around with it. Pretty cool. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. Alright, so we're pretty much done, guys. So I'm just going to run it for a little bit more. So anyway, guys, let's go to the home screen now and see if TikTok actually downloaded. I'm not sure this is even going to work, but let's go ahead and find out. So I'm going to go to the home screen and let's see. So where's TikTok? Oh, it's not working, guys. I need TikTok. Where is it? Oh my gosh, it's not downloading. Where is it? Oh my gosh, it's downloading, guys. So be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super insane. I hope you guys enjoy the video. But if you guys want to download TikTok back on your phone, be sure to try this out. Damn, let's open it up, guys. Is it real or not? Yes, it actually works. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.